Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. Today we are diving into one of the most bizarre and spine-chilling urban legend of the 21st century. I am talking about the infamous Monkey Man of 2001. Was he real or just a figment of collective imaginations? Stick around as we break into down and try to uncover the truth behind this mysterious creature. And without hesitation, let's start this video. In 2001, the bustling streets of Delhi, India were shaken by reports of mysterious creature, the half man, the half monkey, attacking people at night. The strange creature dubbed the Monkey Man became a media sensation. But where did it all begin? And how did this urban legend take on a life of its own? It all started on May 13, 2001, where a bizarre incident occurred in the city of Delhi. Local newspapers began reporting sightings of a creature with glowing eyes and the body of a monkey, yet with human-like features. The so-called Monkey Man was said to attack people, leaving them terrified and injured.
अब आपको 2001 के दिल्ली और उत्तर भारत के कई इलाकों में फैले मंकी मैन का उदाहरण देना चाहता हूं। मंकी मैन ना तो मंकी था ना ही मैन था, मगर मैन, विमेन, चिल्ड्रन मंकी मैन के आने और काट लेने की कल्पनाओं में उस साल खो गए। रात भर जागते थे, किसी ने उसे देखा नहीं, मगर बताने वालों की कमी नहीं थी कि मंकी मैन कैसा है। फेक न्यूज हम सबका यही हाल करने वाला है। हम फेक न्यूज को लेकर लोग रातों को जागेंगे, समुदायों को से लड़ते हुए दिखेंगे, किसी को मार देंगे, किसी को पीट देंगे, बल्कि ऐसा कर भी रहे हैं। मंकी मैन का उदाहरण इसलिए दे रहा हूं ताकि यह साफ रहे कि फेक न्यूज को पचाने की प्रैक्टिस हम आज से नहीं कर रहे हैं। उस वक्त मीडिया भी मंकी मैन को खूब कवर करता था। एनडीटीवी के आर्काइव में मंकी मैन को लेकर कई रिपोर्ट मिली, जिसे सिद्धार्थ पांडे, बरखा दत्त, आराधना शर्मा, वर्तिका नंदा, हमारी पूर्व सहयोगी, इन लोगों ने कवर किया था, जो तब एनडीटीवी के साथ थे।
पूर्वी दिल्ली में बसे सीलमपुर में लोग इत्मीनान से बाहर सो रहे हैं, लेकिन कुछ दिन पहले तक ऐसा कर पाना संभव नहीं था। अभी एक हफ्ते से भी पहले की बात है जब इन सड़कों पर तनाव बना हुआ था।
इतनी दहशत चढ़ गई थी कि अगर बिल्ली भी कूदती थी कहते बंदर आ गया तो उसकी दहशत इतनी चढ़ गई थी कि लोग बागों ने छत पे सोना बंद कर दिया। बल्कि आदमियों से बढ़ के बच्चों को इतनी दहशत होती, बाहर निकलना वरना बंद था बच्चों का।
लेकिन जिस रहस्यमय प्राणी से लोग डरे हुए थे, उसी को अब लोग भूलने भी लगे हैं।
ऐसा ना कभी बंदर का था, एक अफवाहें होती हैं वो तो खामखा की कि ये आ रहा है वो आ रहा है। अब ऐसा कुछ यहाँ पे नहीं है।
लेकिन सच्चाई ये भी है कि इस तथाकथित प्राणी की वजह से लोगों को बिजली की कटौती से बचने का भी मौका मिला था।
उसी के चक्कर में लाइट नहीं जा रही थी, बंदर के चक्कर में कि रात भर लाइट रहती थी। अब जो है अब लाइट भागने लगी, दिन में भी रात में भी। अभी आई है 3.5 घंटे के बाद।
उधर पुलिस अब तक मामले की जांच में जुटी हुई है और इसके लिए एक विशेष दल का गठन भी किया गया है।
कोई बंदर वंदर नहीं है जी, बकवास है। हमें तो कोई नजर नहीं आया, न किसी को दिखा। और पेट्रोलिंग बंदर के लिए जाते हैं, कहीं भी कुछ नहीं।
I have already discussed this matter at length with my officers.
हमने अपने अधिकारियों से बात की है। हम कुछ और एजेंसियों से भी संपर्क बनाए हुए हैं और ये सारा मामला 1 सप्ताह या 10 दिन के अंदर सुलझा लिया जाएगा।
Learned from them that they would be able to tell us as early as possible, time frame maybe could be a week or 10 days, about the whole gamut of this problem.
अब हमलावर रहस्य में प्राणी अचानक ही गायब भले ही हो गया हो, लेकिन उससे जुड़े कई सवालों के जवाब आज तक नहीं मिल सके हैं। अजमल जामी के साथ वर्तिका नंदा, स्टार न्यूज।
As the reports piled up, the story began to spread like wildfire. People claimed to see the creature darting through alleyways, on rooftops, and in dark corners of the city. Some described it as being around 7 feet tall with metallic claws, while others said it had glowing red eyes. The police were baffled. No one had any solid evidence of the creature's existence, but it was just the media that fueled this frenzy. Soon, hundreds of people were rushing to police stations, claiming they were victims of Monkey Man's attack. Some reported scratches and bruises, while others claimed to have been chased by creature at night. So what exactly was going on here? Could this creature be real? Naturally, theories began to emerge. Some believed that the Monkey Man was a wild animal that had escaped captivity, but others were more inclined to think that it was a human in a monkey costume causing chaos. However, there was no concrete evidence to back up these claims. Then there was more outlandish theories. Some said the Monkey Man was a supernatural being sent from the unknown to cause fear and chaos. Others even suggested that it was the result of mass hysteria, with people's mind playing tricks on them, amplifying their fears. With every new report, the panic grew. The media, of course, was all over it. Newspaper published sensational headlines, news channel aired continuous coverage, and the Monkey Man became a global phenomenon. But in the middle of this chaos, some people began to ask, was this a hoax, or was the media simply feeding public fear? As the week passed, the Monkey Man became less of a mysterious figure and more over a media spectacle. Authorities and investigators couldn't find any physical evidence, and nobody could definitely prove that the creature was real. As the panic eventually died down, some began to think that the entire phenomenon was a result of mass hysteria. One theory suggests that the reports were caused by a series of random attacks by criminals, which people then attributed to the Monkey Man. There were also claims that some of the so-called attacks were nothing but more than people suffering from anxiety exaggerating their experiences. Over time, the Monkey Man became an urban legend with no concrete evidences to support or deny his existence. The incident eventually faded from the headlines and the life in Delhi returned to normal. But the question remains, why was the Monkey Man real, or did the fear of the unknown cause this mysterious creature to take on the life of its own? So what do you think? Was the Monkey Man of 2001 was a terrifying reality, or it was a simply product of mass hysteria and media exaggeration? Let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more intriguing stories, and turn on notifications so never miss an episode. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Along with one thing to say, that check out my Instagram page in the about section of this channel, please. And for this day, goodbye.